So here I was one of the boats off the carousel here. It's I believe it's handmade. Just all this is glued in here. I didn't make this either, by the way. Here's the radar on the top, or what's supposed to be, he says, the grandpa. The sail. All this stuff here is glued in. Yeah, that's it. Buckets here, life rafts, a deck and a seat, mast, anchor, all handmade, and it's supposed to be weathered like this, and I don't think he plans on painting it because he likes the look of it. And there's the what do you call it, the rudder. Yeah. And there's over here in the corner there's a cage or container for to keep your fish in. So it's all well made too. There's another one, and it's a little bit fatter than this boat here. Looks pretty much the same, so I'm not going to show it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's kind of yellowed, and you know, hey, it's meant to look like that. Nothing wrong with that. So that's that. And behind us here we have a waterfall, which you guys will see in action soon. So we'll take one more look. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave comments. If you like what you see, go ahead and make a comment. If you want to see the other boat, go ahead and ask or whatever, and you shall receive. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.